sometimes things just don't go according to plan, especially with baking. It can be so unpredictable. I just started baking at the beginning of this year, and I have a starter that descends from a starter that was started during the Oregon Trail 177 years ago in 1847. It's been a lot of fun to bake with. It's a super strong starter and it makes absolutely beautiful loaves of bread. I baked this today and it's time to cut into it, but I just wanted to show you guys that things don't always turn out according to plan or as perfect as they look on TikTok. So this is my great grandmother's lace and I used it to create a pattern on top of the loaf of bread. Well, I thought it would be kind of cool to do the expansion score around this oval that's in the middle. And that might have been a mistake because this is how it ended up looking. It gave it this really weird ear on top. You can see the cute little shamrock there in the middle. I did like a little score on the side where it kind of had these scallops and I like the way that looked. So I definitely learned a lesson for next time to not do this on top. Maybe just score around the outsides of it, but that's about it. Not do the whole expansion score. But anyway, it's still bread and we still get to eat it and we still get to enjoy it and it still is beautiful. But let's go ahead and cut into this. All right, so first thing first, we have to do the crunch test. Ready? Now the crumb reveal. You guys ready? Look at that. Oh my gosh. It smells really good. All right. So it does have a funny little hat on it, but that's okay because, again, it's still bread. Okay, now, of course, we have to do the squish test. All right, let's go ahead and cut off a couple little slices here so we can try it. I did let this one ferment just a little bit longer because my husband said he wanted something that was super sour. That is really good. I think he's gonna like it. It's nice and soft on the inside, has a nice crust on it. It's gonna make some really good sandwiches. Oh gosh, I'm gonna make a grilled cheese. So yummy. So yeah, just goes to show you, things aren't always perfect when you bake, but it's still bread and still edible and it's delicious. Happy baking.